filming 101, Big D, full effect. You know what time it is. We over here listening to Music Van today. As you just saw, they doing their thing. That's all I gotta say. I'm in 42nd Street, Grand Central Station. You know what I mean? And it's beautiful. And I know the people that's playing, I know them, so they enjoying themselves. And get out and get around and see these people play their music and support them. So with that note, this has been filming 101 Big D in full effect, and I'll see you guys on the trail, brother. And I'm out. Later.